Okay, we're here, and David's scared out. Fridge.
Okay, I heard a sound.
Nope.
Do you remember where the dungeon is?
The dungeon? Not really, but okay. David's really scared. He's a baby. He looks like a baby, but he's a best friend.
Dying of fire. I want to turn around. Let's see, like, wait. When I say turn around, you turn around.
Okay.
Let's see, like, I hope you die. Turn around. I hope you die. That's fine. I'll never tell you.
And my name is not Jerome. I didn't.
What?
I didn't.
You did not?
I did not. And I'm good for hearing sounds, I swear.
Look, it's the wind. I heard the wind.
A weird sound, I mean. I don't know.
If we get lost, blame it on you, pal. Wait, are you still happy
Yeah?
that I think we're still my friends?
Why would I say no? If you're my best friend. But I swear, dude. I swear. I don't know where it is. Like the
The
enter. No, the enter.
There might be hunters here, man.
Yeah, but they don't kill kids.
Yes, but what if they shoot and it goes on one of us, man?
Well, we're gonna see an animal though.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
I want to see how much minutes we did.
3 minutes.
32 minutes.
3 minutes.
10 minutes left and we're leaving, right?
Yep.
Once it hits 13, we're leaving?
Yep.
Why do I keep over this side today? I just bought a pair of shoes, man.
Really?
Yeah.
That's your new.
Yes.
Well, I told you we're going to forest.
You did tell me when we came.
Well, you could have get boots.
I don't have boots.
Well, get my like tree.
Fuck, man. Good job.
Wait, what the fuck are these?
What?
The fuck are these? Look, guys. Stop. Stop.
Look, there's a treasure here.
Yeah.
No, there really is.
Well, go and get it.
Wait, we're not leaving, right?
No. What? You're gonna be lost. What? Huh? What? Wait. I saw something here. I saw something like right here. Like that man, like sort of mountain. Oh fuck, I almost fell there. Don't hurt yourself, dude.
Just kidding. You know I was kidding, right?
Yeah. Six minutes.
Listen, I'm all wet. My feet are all wet, man.
Hmm?
My feet are all wet and I'm cold, man.
Well, wait.
Dude, my feet are wet.
Wait.
Yo, look at this.
What?
Look at this.
I'm looking for something, but wait. Just don't move. Don't move. Stay there. Fuck, no. No, there. No, I saw something white. Fucking white. Like the face is fucking white, dude. Right over there, dude.
You think it left this?
You made it.
No.
That's fuck it, dude. Fuck. We're getting chased, guys.
What?
Oh fuck. It's fucking black, dude.
Ah! This is why I hate you, man.
Dude,
What the hell?
we saw something black, literally all black. And we heard a yeah. Somebody like,
He's like, what was that? Let's get the fuck out of here.
yeah. Fuck. I swear, if they don't hear it, dude, I'm gonna fucking.
Oh man.
I saw something like white, dude. It was like really like a small girl, dude. White.
Oh shit. Wait.
I don't think the camera saw it though because I was like filming over there.
What the fuck is this? Look.
What the fuck? No. Sorry, are bad words, but now it's creepy as fudge. Because that wasn't here before. What the fudge? I swear that's not us.
Yo, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Dude, okay, yeah, sure. I didn't thought that was creepy. Okay, we need to run, dude.
We need to
I'm
run
running.
Fuck. Ah!
Fuck, David's dead. What the fuck?
Get out of here!
No, fuck off. What the fuck? No, dude. Guys, we are done here. We are done. Goodbye.